Welcome to aminacademy.com. In fluid mechanics, let us discuss about discharge through a large rectangular orifice. Look at this figure. Consider a large rectangular orifice in one side of the tank discharging freely into atmosphere under a constant head h as shown in the figure. Now h1, let h1 equal height of the liquid above the top edge of the orifice, above the top edge of orifice. Here that means this top edge of the orifice from here to here h1, from here to here is h2, and h2 is height of a liquid above the bottom edge of orifice. B equal breadth of orifice. Now D is depth of orifice, which is here equal h2 minus h1. From here to here h2, from here to here h1, that is equal depth. CD is coefficient of discharge. Consider the elementary horizontal strip. Consider the elementary horizontal strip which depth is dh, and depth at a depth of h below the free surface of the liquid. That means here dh is a width, this h is depth from the free surface of that liquid strip h. Now area of strip is b into dh. bdh and theoretical discharge. And area of the strip is b into dh. And theoretical velocity of water through the strip equal, we know that it is 2gh. Discharge through elementary strip. Elementary strip is given, that is dq equal coefficient of discharge into area of strip into velocity. That means dq means here this through this area of this strip here, how much water is discharging is given here, dq. Therefore, we can write CD into BDH, that is area, and velocity is square root of 2GH. By integrating the above equation, we between the limits H1 and H2, the total discharge through the whole orifice is obtained. Therefore, Q equal total discharge integral H1 to H2 CD B dH into square root of 2GH. Here, take the constants out of integration. Here, CD is the constant, B is the constant, and square root of 2G is the constant, and integration with H1 to H2 square root of H dH. So, which is equal CD into B into 2G square root of H is H power of, integrating is H power 3 by 2 into divide 3 by 2 is 2 by 3 is multiplied. H1 to H2, which is equal CD B square root of 2G, and 2 by 3 is out of integration, that is out of that limits. Then we have upper limit is H2 3 by 2 minus H1 3 by 2. This is the total discharge through the whole orifice. Therefore, Q equal total discharge through orifice is given as Q equal 2 over 3 CD B root of 2G into H2 power 3 by 2 H1 over 3 by 2. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.